In today's video, we're looking into YouTube Analytics suggested videos, how you can get your videos to be suggested by YouTube so you get more views and can grow that much faster on YouTube. So even if you're a small channel and you're just starting out, you really want to start getting more views and grow on YouTube, then this video is really going to help you understand your YouTube Analytics and help you to really understand the YouTube algorithm to grow even faster on YouTube. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm on my YouTube studio. Just want to jump on your YouTube studio. Once you're there, you want to go ahead and click on Analytics. And this brings us to the homepage of the Analytics. And it's going to show us the views and all that information for the last 28 days. For this video, we're going to look at the last 28 days. Next thing we want to do is we want to click on reach, and then we want to scroll down here. So first of all, we can see under traffic sources types, it gives us a brief rundown of all of the different traffic sources that we're getting in the last 28 days. Now we can see here that at the 5th place, we're looking at 4.3% is from suggested videos. Now it's not a crazy amount. It probably doesn't add up to a huge amount of views, but the fact is you want to make sure that you are getting your videos suggested. Generally, it's going to be on your own videos. You also want to get your videos suggested on other people's channels that are in the same niche and topic as your own. And that's why it's really important to make sure that when you're creating videos, you want to make sure that they are linking the keywords and things like that with other videos so that the YouTube algorithm is going to link your video to other popular videos. So it's really important to do your research and see what keywords are popular, what keywords are ranking in search, and all of these kinds of things to make sure that your video is going to pop up in suggested video. Now we want to actually have a closer look at this to see where these views are coming from. So if you actually scroll down here, we'll see traffic source suggested videos, and this is going to show me where my videos are being suggested on either my own videos or other people's videos. Now 25% of my views have come from the video 60,000 subscribers in 4 months, how to grow on YouTube. Now I know straight away that is not my video. The next one is how to rank on YouTube, which is 14.8%. Don't believe that's my video either. Next one is how to make a good YouTube video title, creating titles that actually get you more views. Potentially could be mine. How to promote your videos fast, this 2021, and then does Teespring work, which I do know is my video. Now that is very interesting to see, are we showing up on other people's videos? Because being recommended on your own videos isn't really that hard to do. Being recommended on other people's videos is what we're aiming for. And we can see 3 or 4 of the highest suggested percentages are from other people's videos. And this is a great start with a small channel because you want to aim for your videos to be suggested on larger channels that are going to get you more views. Because if your videos are popping up on other popular videos, the chances are it's going to be the right audience for your video because the videos are in the same niche. Therefore, that person is going to enjoy your video as well, especially if they're looking for a particular answer on that particular topic. They're more than likely going to look at other videos under that same topic to make sure they get all the answers they're looking for. And this is a big opportunity for you as a small YouTuber to be suggested on other popular videos. And this is the power of suggested video, and this is where it can take a while to be recommended on suggested videos, because if you're able to show up on recommended videos, it means you're doing all the right things. It means you've got a good title, it means you're using good keywords, it means you've in theory got a good thumbnail because people are actually clicking on those suggested videos. These figures that are coming up in suggested videos are only the people that are actually clicking on that suggested video. It's not just showing you what has been suggested, it's showing you what views you got from suggested videos. So it'd be actually quite interesting to see how often your impressions were from suggested videos. I don't believe you can see that through your analytics, but maybe that's something that YouTube will look into in the future. It would definitely be quite interesting to see what percentage of your impressions are coming from suggested videos, but this is showing you what people have actually clicked on your video from another video. And as I was saying, if you're doing a good title, if you're doing all the right things, then you're more than likely already going to be ranking on YouTube search, and this is another avenue that you need to take your channel to the next level, to get you more views and to really help your channel to blow up by getting more views through different avenues of traffic sources. Now we want to have a closer look into this. If we click on see more here, it's going to show me all of the suggested videos that I've had views from. So if we scroll down here a little bit, we can see that we got some from part 1, getting started with Teespring. Interestingly, once again, not my video, but I've received a decent amount of views from that. $5 YouTube ads, that's my own one. What's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max is my own one. Here we go. Here, how to make money with Teespring in 2020 as a total beginner. Once again, I'm getting suggested on a lot of other Teespring videos because my Teespring video has been doing quite well. It's been ranking in YouTube search, and therefore it's starting to be recommended more in suggested videos. We've also got another one here, how to make money with Teespring in 2020 as a total beginner. We're also receiving some suggested videos through that. Can a beginner make money with Teespring? Once again, we're getting suggested on that. How to promote YouTube videos with Google Ads. We've received some views through there as well. And once again, through my own video. And here we go, get 10K subscribers in 7 days using Google Ads. We're getting suggested videos through there as well. We've also got new promote options in Creator Studio. We've received suggested videos through there. So we can really see here that it's really starting to take effect. Now, it may not be huge views. It's not like it's gonna blow up the channel straight away, but all of these views matter. What you need to understand is you need to be aiming for all of these different traffic sources in order for a channel to blow up. That being said, YouTube search is always going to be the biggest priority for a small channel, but if you're getting views from YouTube search, obviously from your subscriptions, from the homepage, all of those browse features, from suggested videos, from recommended videos, all of those together, even let's say if you're a small channel and you're only receiving 10 views from each of those, that's already 50 views more than you would be getting if it was just from your subscribers. And that's why it's really, really important to really think about your title to make sure people are watching your video for a long period of time. You're not going to be recommended by YouTube if people aren't engaging in your videos and they're not watching them for a long period of time. The way those suggested video slots work is they're only going to show it just like on YouTube search. They're going to show videos that people are clicking on and that people are responding to. So just like YouTube search, just like with anything with YouTube and getting your videos out there, you need to make sure that the video is high quality. And what I mean by that is it's got value to it. You're adding value to your viewers, and viewers know exactly what they're going to get from that video because your title tells them this. Your thumbnail gives them a reason to click on the video. And when they actually watch the video, they're getting the answers that they want. But it's really, really important, even when you're a small channel. You might be surprised, go and have a look and see what videos you're actually getting recommended on. This is all going to be a great start to blowing up on YouTube. There's different avenues for traffic sources. There's about 5 total that you need to make sure you're working on. YouTube search is the easiest one to control, but suggested videos is going to take you to the next level, and that's why suggested videos is just, if not more important, with blowing up a small YouTube channel. So that was diving even further into my YouTube analytics, looking into the suggested videos and seeing where my suggested videos come from. Even if it's not a huge percentage of your traffic, it's still really important to see where are you being suggested on, and to really understand your YouTube analytics, you really need to make sure that you're looking at all of your different traffic sources to see where they're coming from and how you can improve on that. If you haven't watched the first 2 parts of this YouTube series, definitely go and have a look. It's all about your browse features and your YouTube search, so make sure you check those out if you haven't already. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are enjoying this series, make sure you go ahead and check out my other videos because I know you'll love those too, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.